What's up, AC gang? It's your girl Abby here, and guys, it feels good to be back on the camera. So spam the comment section with Team Abby. As you can see by the title, guys, I'm about to do the electric. I get electric. What you do it? Electrocuted prank on Capo. I don't know I'm gonna title it yet, you know. Guys, I already did the prank. That's why I look so. But you know, me as always not forget. I don't have time to do an intro because it's always a quick thinking prank with me. So you know, I'm just jump right tonight. Alright guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Abbi Atters, which is my personal page. And if you want to tell me some pranks to do on Capo, guys, follow me and inbox me. Capo Instagram, I am Cappuccino. And our joint Instagram, Abbi_Capo. Guys, let's already do some crazy funny videos. Also, subscribe to our comedy channel at Abbi and Capo Comedy TV for comedies, beer comedies, nice comedies. And turn on your post notification, guys, so you'll be notified as soon as we post. Because we realize that most of you guys not getting the notifications as soon as we post. So you need to just click the bell and turn on the post notification. And guys, I also want to give a shout out to Taniel. Yeah, big up yourself. She has been giving me some, prank ideas to do on Capo. No further talking, just make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and comment Team Abby down below because the girl is coming back with a prank. Alright, let's flick into the video. Alright guys, so this is a voiceover because I couldn't talk, Capo was sleeping. So yeah. But I used the powder and the water. Yeah, hit the like button and subscribe if you're new, and comment Team Abby down below because the girl is coming back with the pranks. Yeah, stay tuned. Abbi. Abbi, eat up. You fuck ready, yeah? Come on. You go plug in, fuck ready. Okay, are you that man? No. Oh God. No. Boy, you keep me a girl, you idiot.
What you really do, Abbi? You love Ram too much, you know? Keep it with you. That's why I am.
Capo, you know what time now? It's fun. What phone you not turn on? What time now? About after 8 now, I go to 9 o'clock and Capo still asleep. I have to do that prank, yeah? Now guys, that's why you hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and comment team Abbi down below. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our comedy channel at Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. Follow us on Instagram at me, Abbi Attas, Capo, I am Cappuccino, on our joint channel, Abbi_Capo. Yeah guys, and turn those post notifications on so you'll be notified when we post. Team Abbi guys, Team Abbi. Yeah, boy. Team Abbi, no?